In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add section in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a ready-made section into your project and place it where you want, quickly and cleanly. Sections in Framer are pre-designed blocks, like hero areas, feature rows, or footers that help you build pages faster and keep your design consistent. Start on your design canvas with the page you want to work on visible. Look for the Insert option in the interface. This opens a panel where you can find all the elements Framer provides. If you're working inside a complex layout, it helps to center your view on the page first so you can easily see where the new section will land. The Insert panel is your toolbox. It's where Framer groups everything from basic frames to complete sections you can use as building blocks. Once the Insert panel is open, hover over the sections category. This expands a gallery of ready-to-use layouts. You'll notice different styles and purposes. Some are perfect for headlines and calls to action, others for feature grids, testimonials, or contact areas. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails and choose a section that fits your page's structure and tone. Hovering here simply lets you browse and get a sense of spacing, typography, and overall look, so you can make a confident choice. When you found the section you want, click and drag it from the panel onto your canvas. As you drag, watch for the placement indicators and smart guides that help you snap the section into a sensible spot within your page. Drop it where it aligns with your layout, top, middle, or bottom, making sure it's not accidentally nesting inside an unintended group or component. If it lands in the wrong place, just drag it again to reposition. You can also check the layer list to confirm that the section sits at the right level in your page hierarchy, and reorder it there if needed. Zooming out slightly can make it easier to judge spacing and alignment, especially when working with larger page structures. That's it for adding a section. From here, you can keep building your layout, and when you're ready, tailor the content inside the section to match your brand, like editing text, swapping images, or adjusting spacing. If you don't see the Insert panel at first, make sure you're on the design canvas and not in a different mode. And if a drop doesn't behave as expected, try releasing the section closer to the page root so it doesn't get tucked into an unintended frame. With these simple steps, you'll be assembling polished pages in Framer in no time.